In the heart of the hot African plain, a lone hyena stands surrounded by swift and organized rivals.
They attack in small, coordinated teams, probing assaults designed to break the circle of resistance.
In these tense moments, every breath counts, and every shadow feels like a threat.
This battle is not only a clash of teeth. It is a battle of nerves.
The ring tightens. Every breath, every...
It appears these moments may be his final stand.
Across the plain, a silence falls. Then, a low vibration so deep it barely touches the ear rolls on the wind. The dogs sense it first. Every head turns. From beyond the heat haze, a wall...
Few would expect an alliance like this. But on these plains, loyalty takes many forms. Few would ever imagine such an alliance. But on these plains, friendship takes a very different form. Few would expect an alliance like this. But on these plains, friendship has its own shape.
At first light, the savannah holds its breath. The wild dogs close in on wounded prey, but the hyena is not.
In the unforgiving plains of Africa, victory does not always belong